I see this big level coming in here. If I can get a good 4-hour close below, and it then retraces back to retest this lateral support level here, if it can test that level yet again, hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 18 June 2024. Today I will be trading long Swiss, Aussie and the US, short in the Euro, the Yen and the New Zealand. Starting with the dollar index now breaking up very strongly after the weekend, retracing slightly. I think we negated this whole pattern here, this flag pattern. I think that's out of the picture now. Now we can just focus straight on, we saw it above, the retest of moving averages, the counter reversal, and now we're looking for the long side of things. Right, so I think the bullishness is back. I don't think any of these patterns will have an effect anymore. So I think I can clean up the charts mostly of the support resistance level. Market being very, very, very sideways and not giving us clear-cut direction. But now, with a bounce, the close above, retracement a little bit. Now, as long as we stay above the moving averages here, we will be bullish. And we can see on the intraday charts, I should be bullish. Just my short term on the daily charts is still red, and that's going to turn within a day or two as well as the market persists like this. So for now, I have to be bullish on the dollar for today. Gold very sideways on the dailies. We're starting to form this flag consolidation pattern, and on the strong dollar, I don't want to be long, and short side, I don't see anything that can be shorted here on gold. So for now, I'm stepping away from gold, most likely for the rest of the week. So let's see. Bitcoin under pressure, cryptocurrencies under pressure everywhere. I thought we're going to see a little bit more of a bounce coming into the markets, and that's not happening. So let me just zoom in here. You can see the $65,000 levels got tested now, the one that I wanted it to test. This is a big one. This is a big one. And if it doesn't hold, I think we're going to see another test of the $59,000, $58,000 if that's not going to hold. What worries me is that we had the bull trend starting and now fading. If I go back into the history, you'll see here that every time we've got, let's see if I can zoom in more. We got the bull run, one bear, bull, 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 one bear. Last time we had this was back in 2022. Where you had the bear run, the bull and the bear, and it couldn't make a new high, and it went immediately into another leg down the page, which ended up to be the absolute bottom of the market. But that just tells us we could possibly expect more drawdown on cryptos. Well, at this stage, my focus is on the $65,000 levels. If that can hold, maybe forming a little double bottom here, we will see. But for that, we're going to need a close back above the, well, let's call it the $67,000, $68,000 levels before we can really say, right, the level is holding. At this stage, it tested, bounced slightly on small bodies, which is not very positive, and now testing yet again. So let's see if the double bottom will last. I guess we will have an answer by the end of this week. But for now, I'm holding back. I'm not buying that much. I did buy a little bit at $65,000 because it's a big level. But remember, guys, I do this for the long term. I buy just a little bit. Every time I get a signal, I buy a little bit. I don't trade them on the short-term side of things. Then the Euro Yen, we shorted up there. We got to the first target, and then I told you to trail the stop loss to that high. Well, that wasn't needed. It just cut through to the target. So well done, guys. Very, very nice trade on the short side. We had about a 30 to 40 pip risk, and we gained 60 there, up to 18, 90 pips there. And it even went further, which is not something to worry about. We got our targets, and that was an absolute amazing trade. So well done on that one. And that trade hit all my targets now. Now drawing a new Fibonacci in from that high to this recent low here. Retracement back to 61%. Right the structure here. I'm looking to short there again. You see Euro, bottom of the pile, Swiss franc, all the sparkle. So this is definitely something I still want to be short in. And I'm not going to short here. I just hit targets. I don't want to be short from these support levels. I would love to see a retest of that level now and let the base prove themselves. And then I'll consider some shorts. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, guys, check out the link in the description. In the CAD Swiss, CAD neutral zone, but Swiss in the green zone, all the sparkle. I want to be long Swiss, and by shorting this, that will give me a long on the Swiss. So I'm waiting for the retest between 50 and 61% level of this last directional swing. Big level, support, 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 resistance. Now I'm just waiting for that to be tested, and a nice counter reversal that'll get me to go short. And the Swiss yen, Swiss green zone, all the sparkle. Yen, well, almost bottom of the pile. Last nice big right directional swing. Gonna need a retracement. I want to be long here, not from up there. I would like to see a retracement before I will even consider going long here. So retest back to the 50-61% level, right at structure here. That'll get me interested if I can get a long reversal here. And the pound Swiss. Pound Swiss, pound neutral, Swiss definitely green zone. Need a retracement. Very nice last directional swing. You can see big swing down the page, consolidation, another big swing down the page. So I want to be short here, not from the support levels. So if I can get a retracement back to that area there, you can see here support, support, support. Very nice level. Let's see if we can get back there. If I get back there, I'll then consider some shorts. In the pound Australian, pound neutral zone, but Aussie, I want to be long here. And at this right here now, I can see the pound is dropping like a rock here. So let's see. It could be the Aussie strength also. I can see how the Aussie is gaining strength. So for now, I see this big level coming in here. If I can get a good 4-hour close below, and it then retraces back to retest this lateral support level here, if it can test that level yet again, and then it gives me a nice strong counter reversal, then I'll consider some shorts here for sure. But trading isn't just about my insights, guys. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.